Yes then, Squadzillas, what is going on? Thanks for clicking on the video. You join me for another camp out in the woods. It's flipping hot. If you can't tell, I'm sweating bullets, bruv. Like, I've literally just trekked like some like mental mission to get here, but totally worth it. It's a well nice spot as well. And it's so sunny, and like there's a little bit of rain every now and then, but I think it keeps the temperature nice and stable, because you know it's been absolutely red as for like the last week and a bit. It's like 35 degrees or something. Gonna have a flipping wicked time, man. I love being out in the woods. Cheers to you guys. Oh, I had to flip and take my jumper off. Well hot. I thought it was going to be cooler today, but obv's not, because I'm sweating my little barnet off. I'm going to get the tarp set up now. I'm going to go for a cheeky A-frame, but like on some mental like ridge line, because my ridge line's so long from like going on different camps and stuff. And like sometimes the trees are like too far apart and you just keep adding paracord to it. And now my ridge line's just massively long. So a little tip and trick when you're setting up your tarp ridge line is basically you make a loop in one of the ends, literally by looping it over like that. And tying an overhand loop like that, so you have a loop in the end like so, and then basically just pass it round, and then instead of having to feed all your cordage through this little loop, just bring a little bite through, get a toggle or like a bit of twig, and then chuck it through, and you can just tighten it up like that, and you're on then you ain't going nowhere. Don't know if you hear that, but I can hear a storm coming. I just heard thunder like rumble like over that way. Oh, flipping heck, mate. Oh no. Now, to be fair, I'm completely equipped for it. I've got my tarp and I've got all that kind of stuff. It just means I'm gonna have to get some wood in like now. And I think I can hear, yeah, the rain's starting to come now. Right, get the flipping tarp up and let's get a bloody move on, mate. Flipping heck. Remember when I got here, yeah? Look how dark the sky is now. Mental. Ooh! Oh mate, it's exciting. It's like a flipping race against time, bro. I've gone for some unorthodox pegs because I'm in a rush. I'm just like, what? So I can got stickage, and then this is my favourite one over here. Found a flipping bone, mate. I'm gonna get all my kit in here just to make sure it's out of the rain, and then I'm gonna go and just get loads of dead fallen wood and just chuck it in, because like I'll process it later, but I just want to get it out of the rain. I hope that's picking it up, man. Damn, that's loud. That's loud. Right, wood grabbing time. Also, what's that doing there then? Probably gonna get flipping stalked in the night or something. Lovely. Flipping tripod fell over. But there's just a bit of lightning, rain's coming in heavy now, bruv. I'm like, whoa, what am I doing? Need to flipping. Luckily, I brought my flipping raincoat, because I was like, I never check the weather when I come and do these stuff. It's probably a bit stupid really, but I find it more fun, because now I'm like, whoa, need to flip and do all this now, bro. But I need my raincoat, and then we can carry on getting wood, because when you can hear it. I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my toes. Boom, 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 boom. Come on and let it show. Oh, not the beer. I spilt the flipping. I spilt the bozzer. I just thought I'd have a little wander for a little forage, and look what I flipping found. What? What are you doing here, bruv? No way. Mate, these are so rare, it's actually nuts. Oh, right, cool, man. That is all the wood sorted. I've got enough for tonight, I think. I mean, it's probably plenty, to be fair, because I'm literally only going to have a fire to cook on tonight, and then I'll probably have a little bit of firewood just to watch it, you know, a bit of bushcraft TV and all that while I go to sleep. As it's like raining now, I thought I'd take this opportunity for a couple of shout outs. Big ups to flipping Primal Nomad Liam. You're an absolute legend if you're watching this, dude. Liam's the guy who sorted me out this pelt. It is awesome. It's a really nice fallow pelt. I love the pattern on it. It's flipping awesome, man. Massive shout out to you, dude. Honestly, I've been wanting a pelt for so long, so you're a flipping ledge. Cheers, brother. Another big shout out goes to L. Big ups L, man. He's l.archer on Instagram. Check him out. He's an awesome dude, a really talented craftsman as well. And he made me this ferrocerium rod, and I've wanted one like this for ages now. So Elle actually made this for me. We went around the bushcraft show, which I'll touch on in a bit, and we grabbed just the rod itself, and then he had some antler back in his van, and he did an awesome job, man. It was like, it's so good. Yeah, Elle, thank you so much, dude. Like, this is so cool, mate. Like, this is so cool. So yeah, if I touch a little bit on the bushcraft show then, bushcraft show was awesome. It was so good. Like, I don't know how it gets better every year, but it just flipping does. Last year when I went, I didn't really know anyone, so I kind of like made friends when I was there, and I didn't know any of like the community that I'm part of now. All like Craig and Catherine, Paul, Swin, both Dells, you got Elle as well, Liam, Gareth, Grant, flipping the whole squad, bro. Absolute legends, every one of them as well. If you're watching, you're a flipping ledge, mate. And I got some really cool bits and bobs as well. I got myself a TBS 1 litre bottle with like the billy can as well, which I've always wanted. I've wanted one for years now, but I just had like an old issue army one, which worked fine, so I didn't bother. But a Dingo, if you're watching, flipping Dingo ran it over, so I had to buy a new one. I bought a flint and steel. I did my first flint and steel fire, which was flipping awesome, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a little bit saucy and stuff.
Yeah, boy.
Shout out to Camping with Josh, who filmed that for me. Absolute ledge, man. It was such a pleasure meeting you, dude. Like, such a nice guy. I'm like proper glazing right now, but he's just sound. You're watching this as well, man. Like, big ups to you, bro. Flipping ledge. I've put up a post on Instagram about it as well if you want to check that out. It's the same as my YouTube name, so it's Jazzy T Bushcraft. Check it out if you feel so inclined. Like, if you haven't gone, I can't recommend enough to go. Like, it's so good. Well, the sun's back out, which is nice. The rain has fully stopped now, which is chilling. I might actually set up my bed because I'm thinking about having a nappestorm because I'm a bit knackerooned, if you know, on a miserly moon. Flipping Snoop Dogg over it, just like coming up a random bull smack. Joe, it's true what they say about fire. It warms you up 3 times, man. When you collect it, when you process it, and then when you've obviously got the fire on as well. Wood is prepped. Got a nice haul in, to be fair, because I didn't want to be messing about later. I just thought, smash it all out now, and then yeah, happy days. But I've got some more there, just a couple big logs, just in case I do end up staying up a little bit later and want the fire to carry on going. And plus it's some wood for tomorrow morning as well. Cool, I think I'm going to feather stick some of them, just because I'm going to be doing it with the flint and steel, and I want it to just work first time. I can't be asked to be like trying it and then it not going, and it's like, oh, I have to like kind of start from scratch, you know. It's best to do more than you think you're going to need with fire, because it's just so long when you like try and get it started and then it just doesn't work, and then you've got to start from scratch and get all your tinder back and stuff. It's just long, man. Yeah, that's done and dusted. Just gonna chill for like half hour, 40 minutes, and then we'll get the fire on before it gets too dark so you can actually see what's going on. And yeah, I'll get this pasta on the guan as well. That's gonna be banging, bro. I can't wait for that. Yeah, boy. All right, cool. I'll see you in a bit. Cheers, you flipping ledge cakes. It's these moments where I like to take a minute and just be really present and just be in the moment. As a brother of faith as well, it's nice to take a moment and just be grateful and be mindful. I think it's important to take that time. And you know, whether you follow the faith or not, I think it's important to sit and think and reflect on your life and where you are and what could be better, and take a moment to really wind down and just be present. So I've just been spending some time just getting some kindling ready, just splitting it down that little bit further just so I know that it's definitely going to take the flame. Let's get this fire on, man, because the light's slowly going. I don't even know what time it is, probably like 8 o'clock or something. So I've just got a nest of the driest grass I could find. This stuff is pretty dry. I'm just gonna fluff it up and rough it up a little bit so that you get it like that, and then make a nest like so. Then I can put the ember right in there and blow on it like that. Lovely bit of steel that I bought from the Beavercraft stall at the Bushcraft show. There we are, you see it there. And if I take that, pop Flipping heck, man, this is hard. Oh man, damn, I'm gonna have to call it a day, dude. Flip, that is difficult, man. That is difficult. I'm definitely gonna practice that. I feel like the where I've gone wrong is I feel like the grass is a little bit too wet, and I feel like I need some cramp ball. The stuff that grows on dead ash trees is like a big black ball basically. I think I need that because that holds an ember for a long time, and it like burns hotter and hotter as you blow it. So I feel like I need one of them to keep the heat in as I'm blowing, because this Amadou stuff is great, but it doesn't hold the ember for that long. To be fair, gives me a chance to use the ferrocerium rod that Elle made me. So peaks and troughs, eh? Peaks and troughs. That should be enough. Mental how flammable this stuff is, man. I'm not taking any risks now, man. I'm burning so much of this to get a good flame. I've got so much of it as well, which is awesome. What a lovely evening. I'm so grateful that it's not raining right now, man, because it's been like raining here and there. Obviously the thunderstorm earlier, which was nuts. I genuinely thought I was like, I'm gonna be under the tarp for the next like day, but nah, it's flipping well nice, man. Looking forward to food later as well. That can be banging. I can't wait for that. But for now, gonna enjoy a beer, sit by the fire, and yeah, just chill. Bosh, first on the list then, some British chicken drumstick fillets, and they're so cheap. They're like £2, and I feel like the meat that you get from them is completely fine as well. So like, chicken breast is so expensive, man, it's actually nuts. We've got some diced up chorizo, bang in. That's gonna slap in this, man. All the fats that you get from this, it's gonna cook all the way through. It's gonna be beautiful. Just go straight in, no messing. I'll only use half because I don't need that much of it. Gonna get that cooking. Gonna have to proper manage the heat on this one though, because that's just gonna get absolutely rinsed. Just flip it over, fresh new board, no dramas. Straight in the pan to go. Trusty burnt spatch on the go. Oh, I've had a bit of a flipping kerfuffle with the storage on my phone, so I don't know really what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to sieve through all of my photos and stuff. But I was filming the cooking, but this is where we're at so far, mate. Got everything in there pretty much now. I just need to add the olives and the sun-dried tomatoes and the cheese in a bit. But I'm literally just going to let that boil, let that simmer, let the pasta cook inside there, and then we should be cushy. But yeah, so I don't know how much filming I'm going to get done tonight then, because of this flipping storage thing. I'll have to try and figure something out. But yeah, I'll check in a bit, probably when the food's done, so in a bizzle. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what we're flipping talking about. Oh my dizzly days, mate. This is gonna be unreal. One pan cooked in the woods, man. No messing. This is a mental pasta. I can't wait to dig into this. Look at that. Oh my days. Right then, Donatellos, that is me. I'm pooped, man. That food just wiped me out. It was so good though. It was so good. It's going on about 12 o'clock now, so I'm gonna hit the hizzly hay. Good morning, campers. Mate, I slept like a flipping log last night, man. Update on the storage. I went through like loads of my photos and stuff this morning. Basically, I've borrowed myself some time to film, and then I'll have to go home and sort it all out. But hopefully we should be cool and I'll still be able to film the rest of the camp. Bloody technology, eh? I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit ill. And it's annoying. I'm not letting myself be ill, not in summer. There's like no way, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be ill in summer. It can't happen. So what is my sleeping system, I hear you ask? So basically I'm running the North Peak Gear sleeping mat, which it's actually held up very, very well. It's the one that has popped up on Instagram quite a lot. I don't know, I mean, if your algorithm's anything like mine, then it's probably going to have loads of like camping stuff on it. It held up really well at the bushcraft show. I mean, that's like 4 days of camping, and I think I only had to pump it, like top up the air once in the 4 days, and it was set up the whole time. So I've also got a summer jungle bag as well that I think I just bought on Amazon quite a few years ago now, and it's just held up well. But I am looking to get something with more of a central zip, because it always seems to unzip itself and it's a little bit annoying. And then I've got the merino wool blanket, which is so warm, it's actually crazy. Like when it's like the height of summer and it's usually about 12 degrees at night, 9 to 12 degrees, I usually just have the blanket because it is so warm. And then just I think it's a trespass pillow, similar to a thermarest. You know, you just kind of take it out and it's not a blow up, it's like a compressible pillow. So yeah, that's quite comfy as well. Does anyone else think this looks like an old man's head or like a raven's head? Do you know what I mean? I was just like, you know, just looking about, just pondering. Then I was like, oh, who's this little fella? Pretty cool, eh? It's been pretty rainy non-stop this morning, to be fair, so I've literally just been chilling under the tarp, playing a little bit of guitar as well, practicing a few new songs. Yeah, so cool. Just quickly, if anyone is actually interested in getting this is how small it packs down. So it's not big at all. I mean, compared to my hand, it's pretty decent, and it's a foot pump as well, so which is inbuilt in the thing. So you know, there's no messing about blowing it up and stuff. You literally just use a foot pump for like 2 minutes and then happy days, mate. No messing this morning. I'm literally just going to use a lighter to get it on. Haters going to hate whatever's in it, mate. See the deer. Look at that. Wow. What a beauty. What a beautiful deer. Look, he spotted me. thick cut bacon, no messing. So it should be fine. Bit of olive sourdough, absolutely banging. I love this stuff, man. I usually get like the burger buns, but I thought, do you know what? It's going with the squadron leader breakfast sauce. I can't be messing about. I saw Stezzle de Tezzle up at the Bushcraft show, bro. Steve, you're a ledge, dude. I'm really looking forward to trying this sauce. I've heard so many good things about it, so yeah, man. Oh, one's gone. Oh well. Oh yeah. No dry food round here. Plenty of sauce. Bit of cheese on the eggs, because why not, mate? Had some left over from the pasta, so cheese makes everything banging anyway, doesn't it? Cooking good in the woods, man. On some next levels. Oh my. I'm gonna need absolute silence for this one. Flipping it. Look at that, man. Get in there, mate. Oh my giddy aunt. That sauce is so good as well, man. Bit of spice. Yeah, boy. So I'm using sphagnum moss to clean my pan. And basically it has antibacterial properties. And it was the first material that women used for a sanitary towel back in the day. But because it has antibacterial properties, it's good to use out in the field and get your pans clean and stuff, and a bit of boiling water comes up pretty good. Just sat there having a chill, and it is flipping hossing it down, bro. Mate, it's proper raining, man. Look, mental. A minute ago, sun shining, mate. Literally flipping it. So I'm taking refuge. To be fair, it will put out the fire. Although I have got that big 5 litre for that. But flipping it. Bloody torrential, mate. Ended up falling asleep just under my tarp. I laid my woolen blanket down in the pelt and I was a goner. Now it's like 5:30. It's 5:30 in the flipping afternoon, bro. Like what? Yeah, I woke up and the weather's just banging as well. Completely cleared up now. I think it's time to pack down. Unfortunately, I would stay another night. I totally would, but I just don't have, like, my power bank is completely dead and I don't have enough storage on my phone and don't have enough power on my phone and everything like that, so technology holding me back. jokes. Cool, that is me squared away. Place is looking pucker as well, leaving no trace as per usual. Always covering the fire pits as well, you know. It's obviously good practice to cover them and douse them in water and make sure that they're completely out. But to make sure that there's no scorch marks and make it look like, you know, there's never been a fire there and I have never been here before. You know, it's been such a good couple days, man. I've enjoyed every second of it. My cup is very full. A little bit gutted about the flint and steel fire not working last night, but it is what it is, dude. I'm just gonna have to practice that. With all that said, I'm out ski. I'm gonna go home and play The Last of Us 2. And yeah, sound. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for watching. Bit no one sees.